Welcome to the first episode of Vardi Viaggi, Adventures in Iceland. We're at the Blue Lagoon, a 50-kilometer drive from Reykjavik and 20 kilometers from Keflavik Airport. Now, the lake which you see behind me is not a natural one, but fed by the water output of the nearby geothermal power plant. So let us go today and explore the Blue Lagoon and the attractions of the Golden Circle. The geothermal water of the lagoon originates 2,000 meters below the surface, where fresh water and seawater combine at extreme temperatures. The water is harnessed by drilling holes at a nearby geothermal power plant. These provide electricity and hot water for the nearby communities. Ranging between 37 and 39 degrees Celsius, the water in the lagoon is rich in silica and sulfur. Its warm, soothing temperature makes it possible for visitors to bathe comfortably, even in extreme weather conditions. The continental drift between the North American and the Eurasian plates can be clearly seen here at Thingvellir National Park, the first stop on the Golden Circle. I'm in fact walking between two continents, the American plate and the Eurasian plate. Now, the space between these two plates grows up to 2 centimeters every year. Well, it is certainly impressive to be able to promenade in such a gap. When Viking settlers arrived to Iceland, this site was chosen to establish their parliament. Here, the unique geology created a natural amphitheater, where the laws of the land would be recited from memory. Every summer, people would flock to Thingvellir from different parts of the country. The trip on horseback could take up to 17 days from the eastern part of Iceland. Chieftains met up here to settle disputes, exact compensations, and protect the people in their province. Heading towards east, we reach a valley where it is possible to admire the second attraction of the Golden Circle, the geyser Strokkur. The geyser can reach heights of 30 meters and erupts every 8 to 10 minutes. Just a few steps away, we find Geysir, the geyser after which all other geysers are named. Ten kilometers further from Geysir take us to the majestic waterfall Gullfoss, third and last stop of the Golden Circle. The water rushes down the 3 steps of lava layers with breathtaking power and splendor. The waterfall throws up clouds of spray, which are slashed and streaked by rainbows on sunny days. Well, with these glorious images, we conclude our brief journey. See you in the next episode of Vardi Viaggi, Adventures in Iceland.